Now we'll discuss factors. Here we'll be discussing how to find out factors of a number. After going through one example, you can easily understand how to find out the factors of a number and what are factors. Let us take for an example, find factors of 12. Means we have to write 12 in different ways. Okay. Let us take first 1. 1 के टेबल में 12 आता है. How? 1 12 are 12. Then check for 2. 2 के टेबल में 12 आता है. Yes, 2 6 are 12. Then 3. 3 4s are 12. Then 4. 4 3s are 12. Then 5. In the table of 5, 12 does not come, so leave it. Then 6. 6 2s are 12. Then in 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, in those table 12 does not come. Next is 12. 12 ones are 12. Now you see there are 6 different ways we can write 12 as the product of different numbers. So now you see these numbers 1, 12, 2, 6, 3, 4 are the factors of 12. So here you see after taking this 3 into 4, the next step is 4 into 3. Means these two numbers are again repeated. Then this fifth one, 6 into 2. We have already written 2 into 6. These same numbers are repeated here. Then 1 into 12, here 12 into 1. So when you list it out, when you find that the numbers are repeated again, so you stop your listing. So you see 3 and 4, 4 and 3 repeated. So these things you can leave. Now from here you can move like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 are the factors of 12. See, the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5, 6 and 12. That means factors of a number are the numbers in whose table this number comes. मतलब 12 के फैक्टर वो सब नंबर हैं जिनके टेबल में 12 आता है. Now if you divide this 12 with each of the factors, here you see in every case your remainder is 0. Like 12 divided by 1 is 12 quotient and remainder 0. 12 divided by 2, 2 6 are 12, remainder 0. 12 divided by 3, 3 4s are 12, remainder 0. So in all the cases remainder is 0. That means we can conclude when a number is divided by one of its factors, the remainder is 0. Means if, for example, if 12 is divided by any one of its factors, the remainder is 0. And if a number is divided by another number which is not a factor, then the remainder is not 0. Here one more thing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 are factors of 12. And 12 is the multiple of 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Multiples we have already studied. You see these smaller numbers are the factors of 12. यानी इन लोगों के टेबल में 12 आता है और 12 सबसे बड़ा है इनमें से. So it is the factor of all these, it is the multiple of all these numbers. Another example, suppose 3 into 5 is 15. So in table of 3 and 5, 15 comes. So 15 is the multiple of 3 and 5, which we have already discussed in the previous topic. Now 3 and 5 are the factors of 15. Means ये छोटे नंबर जो हैं वो इस बड़े नंबर के factors होंगे और वो बड़ा नंबर जो है ये छोटे numbers का multiple होगा. So 3 and 5 are factors of 15 and 15 is the multiple of 3 and 5. One more thing you should remember, factors of a number are less than the number or equal to the number. Factors हमेशा उस नंबर से छोटे होते हैं या तो एक उसके equal होता है. And in case of multiples, as you have to recite the table of that number, so multiples are always greater than the number and one of the multiple is equal to the number. So remember these two differences. In factors, the factors are always less or equal to the number, and in case of multiples of a number, all the multiples are greater and one multiple is equal to the number. Children, remember 1 is a factor of every number and every number is a factor of itself. यानी 1 सभी नंबर का फैक्टर होता है और वो नंबर खुद भी अपने आप का एक फैक्टर होता है। नेक्स्ट, इज 9 अ फैक्टर ऑफ 71? इफ इट इज आस्क्ड, क्या 9 71 का फैक्टर है? सो ओरली यू कैन फाइंड इट आउट, रिसाइट द टेबल ऑफ 9 वेदर यू गेट 71 और नॉट। तो 9 के टेबल में 71 नहीं आता, दैट मीन्स 9 is not a factor of 71. In other way, you can also find out if you divide any number with the other number, if the remainder is 0, then that is a factor. Now if you divide 71 with 9, 9 7s are 63, remainder is 8. Though so as the remainder is not 0, that's why 9 is not a factor of 71. So this is the way you are going to write 71 divided by 9. Quotient is 7. You have to show the division. And remainder is 8. Therefore, no, 9 is not a factor of 71. Next, another example. Is 6 a factor of 282? See, this is a bigger number. You can't, if you recite the table of 6, अभी तो इतना बड़ा ढूंढना मुश्किल है. सो व्हाट यू डू? यू डिवाइड. इफ अ रिमाइंडर इज 0, देन 6 इज अ फैक्टर. इफ द रिमाइंडर इज नॉट 0, देन 6 इज नॉट अ फैक्टर. सो 282 divided by 6. So you got quotient as 47 and remainder as 0. So you write it 282 divided by 6. Quotient is 47, remainder is 0. As remainder is 0, yes, 6 is a factor of 282. Means 6 के टेबल में 282 ज़रूर आएगा. So in this way you can solve this type of problem. Next I'll take how to find out factors of 24. ये और एक तरीका है. You can write like this. You can list different ways, or you can also find in a single line that is called bridge. You can make a bridge. Like first you start from 1, means every number is a 1 is a factor of every number. 1 के टेबल में आता है. So you write 1 here. And what is its other member? 1 कितना जा? 24 जा. So 1 और थोड़ा दूर छोड़ के you write 24. So they make a pair. 1 24s are 24. Then come to 2. This is even number. So 2 से ज़रूर कटेगा. So 2 कितना जा? 2 12s are 24. So 2 and 12 they make a group. Then come to 3. 3 के टेबल में 24 आता है. Yes, 3 this side 3, उसका दूसरा जो नंबर है उधर लिखोगे कॉमा. सो 3 कितना जा? 8 जा. 3 8 जा 24. देन कम टू 4. 4 के टेबल में 24 आता है. यस, 4 कितना जा? 4 6 जा. सो राइट 4 हियर, 6 दिस साइड. ओके, सो यू कैन लीव सम स्पेसेस बिटवीन. Now you see from the left hand side we have found the factors 1, 2, 3, 4, and from the right hand side we have 24, 12, 8 and 6. यानी इनके बीच में जो सारे नंबर है उनको हम कैंसल अपने आप करते गए हैं. Now you see 4 and 6. In between what is left? 4 और 6 के बीच में सिर्फ 5 है. 5 के टेबल में 24 आता है? No. So that's why 5 is not a factor. So only these are the factors. They make a pair, they make a pair. So these are the factors of 24. In a single line you can mention it. Or you can also write like this. 1 24s, then 2 12s, 3 8s, then 4 6s, 5 नहीं होगा. 6 4s, 6 4s रिपीट हो रहा है, सो छोड़ दो. Then you can write the list. यहाँ से जाके इस तरह 1 2 3 4 6 8 12 24. You see, you can use comma to separate. 1 2 3 4 6 8 12 24. So I have given you 2 ways. You can use any one of them. Then another example, factors of 84. It's a bigger number. So how to find it? First take 1. 1 हमेशा रहेगा. 1 and the number itself. 1 84s. So 1 and 84 they make a pair. 184s 84. Then this is even number, so divisible by 2. अभी बताई थी रूल. 2 से कटेगा. 2 तो लिख दिए, बट उसका अदर मेंबर क्या होगा? So how to find? Orally अगर नहीं पता चल रहा है, so you divide 84 divided by 2. So you get quotient 42, remainder 0. So means 42 2s are 84. So one member is 2, another member is 42. So 2 you write here, 42 write this side. Then 3, divisibility rule. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 is divisible by 3. So ये भी 3 से होगा. जब 3 से होगा पता चल गया, so write 3. Then what will be its partner? कौन होगा? So अगर orally नहीं पता चल रहा है, divide 84 divided by 3. 3 2s are 6. 2 24, 3 8s are 24, remainder 0. So 3 28s are or 28 3s are. These two are factors. So write 3 here. Its other member write here. They make a pair. Then 4. 4 also you divide. Remainder 0, 21. So 4 and 21. So 4 21s are. Then 5. 5 है कि नहीं कैसे पता चलेगा? 5 I told you, if ones place contains 0 or 5, then it is divisible by 5. So here 0 नहीं है ना 5 है, so 5 से कटेगा नहीं, so 5 को छोड़ दो. Then 6, you see 2 and 3 दोनों factor हैं, तो 6 will also be a factor. So divide 84 divided by 6. So 6 14s are 84, remainder 0. So 6 is a factor, 14 is a factor. They make a pair. So write 6 and its other partner 14. Then come to 7. 7 12s are. So 7 and 12 make a pair. So from the left hand side we have found up to 7. From the right hand side we have found up to 12. So 7 और 12 के बीच में और क्या क्या बचा? 8, 9, 10, 11 जिसे चेक करना है. 8 के टेबल में 84 नहीं आता, सो नो. 9 के टेबल में 84 नहीं आता, नो. 10 के टेबल में सी 0 नहीं है, सो this is not a factor. 11 table also we do not get 84. So these 4 are not factors of 84. Then 12 तो हम already लिख चुके हैं. So these are the factors of 84. So in this way you can make the bridge, you can find out, or you can write in different ways and list out all the factors.